Rise and shine, heroes. Your world needs you. Here we go with day 6, Earl Nightingale's 2-step process, 30 days to creating a miracle in your life. Why, oh why does this work so well? I'll explain it with an analogy. Have you ever noticed that when you buy a car and you start driving that car, and that's your car now, everywhere you go, you start seeing that car. Whether you saw a lot of them before or not, now you're seeing them everywhere. What's happening is you've given your brain a reason to recognize that car everywhere it sees. It recognizes it as something important, something that matters to you, something that's connected to you. That's why it is that when you do step one being write the goal on a card in write a specific measurable goal on a card in the present tense, and you read that to yourself as often as possible. When you do step 1, your brain starts to recognize things related to that goal. It starts to recognize avenues you could take to accomplish that goal. It starts to recognize new and different ways you may not have recognized before where you can accomplish that goal or make progress towards that goal. So then when you do step 2, which is work harder than you've ever worked before and do more than is expected of you towards that goal, each and every step that you take working towards that goal is much more effective, and you're working in new and better ways than you've ever worked. That's why this method is so effective. So get to it, heroes. Your world needs you. This is Dave the Barbarian with the Small Business Superheroes. Day 6, Earl Nightingale's 2-step process. Let's create a miracle in your life.